I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. Updating your profile details on Vodafone is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Vodafone website or open the app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, look for the Profile or Account Settings section in the menu. Click on it to access your details. Step 3. Edit your details. In the Profile Settings, find the option to edit your personal information such as your name, address, or contact number. Make the necessary changes. Step 4. Verify your changes. Before starting recovery, use the sr.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Save and log out. Once everything looks good, save your changes and log out of your account to ensure your updates are secure. Remember, if you encounter any issues, the customer support chat can be a lifesaver. Happy updating!